Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. It is Sade, or better yet known as Nappy Tresses, here on YouTube. And today I'm coming to bring you guys a video I'm very excited about. Something fun, something that is supporting our community. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I actually was contacted by the owner of which is called Zaabox. It is a luxury brand spa box that is catered to highlighting and bringing out the essence and beauty in black women. So it's celebrating black women, and it's actually a black owned, the owner is actually black. He's a young man named Mr. Strong, Terrence Strong, and so he reached out to me, and I decided to bring you guys this unboxing. I have opened the box, but I have not actually looked at the products. I actually opened the box and had to take out one of the roses. Because of my hectic work schedule, I haven't got a chance to make this video, but we're getting around to it now, and the beautiful rose wilted, so I won't have that to present to you guys. But this is the beautiful box. It's a beautiful Okay, so I'm not exactly sure when my camera cut off. I think my memory is getting full, so I'm gonna have to keep looking down and make sure that the video is actually still recording. But let's get right into the unboxing. So when you first open the box, this is what I got, and it comes with a lovely gold envelope with my name on it and the products. So I will open up the envelope first. Okay. So these are the contents on the inside. It actually smells really, really good. I don't know if it's like, oh yes, a body mist. The back of this, everything that comes in the box, and on the front is summertime fine. But yes, so it looks like we have 5 products in this box. So I'll start with the first. Is from the Indulgence Spa and Body Products. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yes, this is the Blue Hawaiian Shower Icing with Apricot Kernel Oil. So this will be something that you actually put on right after the shower. That'll get you nice and moisturized, feeling good, you know, smelling good for the babes. So I'm excited to try that. The next product in here I'm picking up is I believe it's the Philly Ashley Chocolate. But yes, so this is the Philly Ashley's Chocolate Hello Sunshine. Yes, it is edible. So it's summertime sweets, smoked rum, pecan, and chocolates and cream. Ooh, so I can't wait to try this. The next product in here is the Dane Botanical Body Mist. It's a sunshine smell, and this is a 1 ounce. It's great for after the shower to get that skin nice and glowing. You know, you be smelling good, smelling like that queen that you are. So I'm excited for that. Always can have, you know, perfume, especially when it's natural. The next product in here is by, I believe, Shea, and it is a nail polish. It's peaches and cream, which is, you know, beautiful color, nice for the summer. Let's see, it says this nail polish is 5 free, meaning it has none of the toxic ingredients that comes, I guess, in traditional nail polishes. Yeah, so I can't wait to try this. And let's see, the next product in here we are looking at is the Dane Body Butters and Scrubs Sunshine Exfoliating Soap. So this soap, and this is an exfoliating soap, and ingredients: organic coconut oil, palm oil, glycerin, purified water, mango butter, cocoa butter, shea butter, olive oil, avocado oil. All ingredients that I love, all ingredients that I can pronounce. So I'm really super excited to try this. Let me know down below if you guys want me to do a review on any of the products in this box. So let's make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. So again, this is a subscription box with full-size products that is spa. It's a luxurious spa brand started with the all-black. So with this box, you're supporting over 5 to 6 black-owned businesses monthly. So that's something that you're getting a bang for your buck. The money is going back to the community. It's something that's circulating, and it's something that You know, I feel like it's very, very important, especially in this day and age. Again, all natural, 100% full-size products. Never can go wrong with that. So I am actually really, really excited to eat some of that chocolate and try out these products. Like I said, the box smells delicious, and I know it's that sunshine body mist. So thank you to the owner of Zaabox for reaching out to me. This right up a 5% off coupon code that is home. So use that coupon code, girl. Get you some money off. It's great for a gift. It's great, you know, for yourself. It's just something that I feel like is very, very, it's a wonderful box, and I'm super excited to be chosen to bring this to my channel as well. So if you guys made it this far, then I'm going to be doing a giveaway on one of the Zaaboxes that I received, and it's going to be really, really simple. It's only going to be a few rules. All you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, of course. Give it a thumbs up for me, please. Head on over to Zaabox's Instagram. Make sure you give them a follow, and for an extra vote or an extra entry, I guess, into the giveaway, if you want to head on over to my personal Instagram, which is at nappytresses, and make sure you are subscribed. So head on over to my Instagram and follow me, and that will actually give you another entry to the giveaway. The giveaway will be open for 1 week. And then I will announce the winner on my Instagram feed, my story. So the only way you're going to know who won is if you follow me, you know. So if you're interested, my hair today is a braid and curl, which is pretty much my signature curly froze, what I've been wearing over a year, honestly. If you want to see a review, just let me know down below. I will do that. Or excuse me, a tutorial, not a review. But yeah, since it's so humid, you know, I don't have as much definition, and I'm sweating in here for y'all because I'm not trying to have that window open with all the noise outside. But yes, if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to come back with more consistency for you guys. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the very next video.